Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can actually make money online. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. Well, again, if you're watching this video, it's because you're looking for ways to make money online. Maybe you are tired of your regular 9 to 5, or you might be looking to have some like an extra income, It doesn't matter what the reasons are. You're watching this video because you want to make money online. So let me jump into my computer. As you can see, this is my back office, and I have made so far with this system $550. It says this week, but it actually took me 2 days. Okay, yes, 2 days to make $550. I'm pretty sure that there are people out there who wants to make this amount of money per month. Some would like to do it this per week, and others would like to do it per day. So I want to show you this is actually possible. This is with a system that is called Newbies on Fire. This is an online franchise, and the courses that Newbies on Fire has are these courses. It's all about digital marketing. So you're gonna learn about branding, which is really important if you're really serious about making money online and have like a good business, or someone who's thinking about doing an online business. They need to have a good branding. You need to know how to find customers, right? You need to know about lead generation, about chatbots, and on Facebook, because this is really important. And why on Facebook? Because a lot of people are out there right now on Facebook looking for this type of information, and you cannot be talking with everybody at the same time. Maybe your chatbot is going to be interacting with people who are looking for this kind of opportunity, and you can make money while you sleep. If you want to create your own product, you can learn about that. You can learn about MP domination, how to do customer retention, Google Analytics, Zapier automation, SendGrid. So it's a complete online marketing solution that is not only there, to help you market Newbies on Fire, but it's work for everybody. Let me show you another thing that is actually really important. As you can see, the term or the keyword, how to make money online, right now over 1 million people are looking for this online every single month. Okay, it's not that people are getting tired of making money. They are actively looking for ways to make money online, and you can offer them Newbies on Fire as a franchise, right? The business opportunity, and also as a way in which they can learn and they can implement that knowledge on other businesses. So again, you see how to make money on Facebook. There are 10,000, almost 11,000 people looking for this information per month, and you have that information here on Newbies on Fire. Okay, as you can see here, I do have these are my commissions: 25, 250, 250, and 25. Okay, I can tell you that this business opportunity is 100% instant payment. Okay, so you're gonna earn 100% of the commission, and you're gonna receive the money right away. So I know, like with other programs, you need to wait sometimes 30 days, sometimes 60 days in order to get paid. Not with Newbies on Fire. And you are gonna be able to receive the money, the payment, with the method that you would like. If you want to use Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, wire transfer, you are gonna receive the money the way you want it. It's gonna be immediately. It's gonna be immediately there for you. And the investments, right? If you want to have the beginner package, or actually the starter package, is $25 plus $5 on the admin fee, and diamond package, which is actually brand new, it's $1,000 plus the admin fee, and you're gonna have all the tools like the pages. So if you're not a designer but you're interested, about this business opportunity, you don't need to create your landing pages, okay? Because you're gonna have all the landing pages here, all the captured pages, a video explaining the business opportunity. And if you're like, okay, that sounds great, but I actually don't have a lot of time to explain this, hey, if you can drive traffic to a Facebook group, and let me tell you, it's really simple. Just ask people like, hey, are you interested in learning how to make money online? Yes? Okay, do you want to join a Facebook group in which we are going to be teaching you how to do so? If people say yes, just drive them to the Facebook group just by using this funnel, the Facebook cash code, okay? And the leaders there, they're going to explain the business for you, so you can be making money just on autopilot, okay? Not by talking with people. And also remember that you're going to learn about the chatbots, okay? Here you're gonna have your leads, your contact, the broadcast. This is something that I really like, because if I want, to be in touch with someone, right, I don't need to hire or get a contract with an autoresponder. I can do it here inside. Okay, you can also see the commissions, as I told you. And let me tell you, this system is really simple. That's what it's called, Newbies on Fire. And as you can see, here I am. Right, see, here I am on the leaderboard. On this week, I started recently promoting this, and as I told you, it makes $550 just in 2 days. The results are not typical, but it is actually possible. You can see there are people who are making over $4,000 per week. Don't miss the opportunity. If you want to join Newbies on Fire, I'm gonna leave a link below, so you can learn all the information and you can jump. Remember that the beginner package or the starter package is actually just $25. Okay, just $25. If you want to get all the information, click the link below. Join the team. Do not miss this opportunity. This is something that is changing people's life, okay? So if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And hey, join Newbies on Fire. Remember, the link is below. Bye-bye.